Hello everyone. So in this video I'll try to explain you through an example how the tabulation of marks for class 10 students has to be done based on the policy of CBSE. That will be based on the unit test, half yearly and pre-board of the child that has been conducted by the school. So the weightage given to these three exams is unit test is 10, half yearly is 30 and pre-board is 40. Now let us take an example. Say the student has scored 27 out of 30 in unit test, and in half yearly the student has scored 50 out of 80. That is the theoretical part only we are talking about, not the assessment part, internal assessment part. And in pre-board the child has scored 60 out of 80. So first, for the unit test, if we need to find out how much is 27 out of 30 as in percentage, or how much we have to award it out of 10, so you just divide 27 by 3. You can look at the left hand side calculator. So when you divide 27 by 3 you get a 9. That means 27 is 90% of 30, and out of 10 the marks awarded to the child should be 9. So this is the unit test weightage. Now coming to half yearly, the child has scored 50 out of 80. So you have to do, what you have to do is divide 50 by 8 because of this 80, and then what you get is 6.25. And then we need to multiply this 6.25 with 3. Why 3? Because the weightage given to half yearly is 30. That's why we multiply it with 3. The answer we get is 18.75. We need to remove this decimal, and the number we get is 19. So the score of the child will be 19 out of 30 in half yearly. Now coming to pre-board, this is the easiest actually, because the pre-board has to be calculated out of 40. So we just need to half it, because out of 80 it's 60. So you can just simply make it half, that is 30 out of 40. So pre-board is the easiest calculation if it is conducted out of 80. Mostly it is conducted out of 80. So out of 40, the score of this child, for example, because it is 60, so it will be simply 30. Now the marks of the child, as in unit test, half year and pre-board, can be seen very clearly. That is, in the unit test the child has scored 9 out of 10. In half yearly the child has scored 19 out of 30, and in pre-board the child has scored 30 out of 40. These are the marks of the child in the theoretical part. So if you add these three, that is 9 plus 19 plus 30, it gives us a 58. So 58 is the score of the child in this specific subject out of 80, and this is the theory part marks that the child has scored. And along these marks, what needs to be added is the internal assessment given by school, and that is how you can find out the total marks of the student out of 100. So it will be 58 out of 80 in this subject. Along with this, what will be added is the internal assessment marks out of 20 that will be scored by that will be awarded from the school to the child, and that will give us the total marks of this specific student in this specific subject out of 100, and that would be the score. I hope you understood. If there is any confusion, you can ask me further. Thank you so much.